Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your Realme 9 using app called RAR. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the files that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM and then camera. Here you can find pictures.rar. Now in order to access it, click on it, and if the files are encrypted, you'll need to enter the password right now. So for me it's 123, very easy, press OK. Now in order to unpack entire archive, you don't need to select anything here, simply press arrow pointing up. But if you want to unpack specific files, you will need to select them separately with these buttons right here. So in this example I'm gonna unpack everything. Let's press arrow pointing up button, and right here we'll get into extraction options. You can change the destination where the files will go, and for me it's gonna be movies, and then press OK. You can change the settings for extraction, like ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files or do not extract paths, and also display extracted files. After everything is set, you can press OK, and the files will be unpacked. We can move to the movies folder, and here we can find 3 pictures. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.